Hello, gardeners! Today we'll show you a fantastic way to use your grass clippings to make a growth booster fertilizer. It's easy, no cost, and super effective. We've created a video on this previously, so you can go check out the comments to see what people are saying about it. What makes it so effective? Depending on the type, growing conditions, and season, fresh grass clippings contain 4% nitrogen. They have an NPK ratio of 4 to 0.5 to 2. As it's relatively high in potassium, it makes for an excellent fertilizer for root vegetables and flowers in their early growth stage.
If you find it difficult to doze off, then try growing these best plants for insomnia and sleep apnea according to studies. They'll surely help you. What is sleep apnea? Sleep apnea is a disorder where the person experiences a pause in breathing, which can be accompanied by periods of shallow breathing. If not treated in time, it can have significant implications on cardiovascular health, mental illness, quality of life, and driving safety. How plants can help in sleep apnea. As sleep apnea is associated with decrease in oxygen saturation, having plants in the room will greatly help to enhance fresh air and oxygen levels in the indoor atmosphere.
Nothing beats the serene and positive vibes of indoor plants. However, some of them are not fit for growing in rooms according to feng shui and other folklores. Here's a list of the unlucky plants to avoid growing indoors. As per the traditional feng shui practices, the tamarind plant is believed to bring negative energies to the home and illness to family members. Also, the plant is often associated with the dwelling of evil spirits.
In times of this pandemic, it is imperative that you take good care of your health, especially the respiratory system. Exposure to volatile organic compounds and other pollutants, which are 10 times higher indoors than outdoors, cause many respiratory issues, lung cancer, and even premature death. If you want to stay away from such troubles, then keep watching this video.
If you're looking for a way to identify your houseplants, you're watching the right video. Here are some of the best ways to identify your plants. Number 1. Google Lens. Simply scan your houseplant with the Google Lens. The app will provide plant name and all the details about it. Number 2. Compare the plant pictures online. You can search some descriptive words about the features of your houseplant on Google. Just try to find an image that looks similar to your plant and check its name on the website.
Your home is full of useful things that can come in handy in the garden, and toothpaste is one of them. Sound weird? Well, it's not. Continue watching to find out these 11 toothpaste uses in the garden and home. Drop a small dollop of toothpaste in the bathroom sink and scrub it with the help of a sponge or cloth. Rinse well with water and it'll shine again.
Research at the Department of Horticulture Sciences in Korea reveals that growing houseplants to improve your mental health is the best way to lower daily stress. Active interaction with indoor plants can reduce physiological and psychological stress compared with mental work. Let's have a look at the best ones you can grow. In this video, we'll share 11 best plants for your mental health, backed by scientific studies.
Caladiums are one of the best houseplants that you can grow for their stunning foliage full of colors. Learn everything about growing caladiums in water in this video. Things you'll need: a tall vase, a sharp knife, scissors, or gardening clippers, pebbles or colorful sand. Instructions: take out the entire plant gently from the pot and clean the soil off the roots.
Winter brings short days, fluctuating cold temperatures, low humidity, and limited sunlight, making it tough for indoor plants to grow. Here are some essential steps that you can take to keep houseplants alive in winter. During the day, plants on the windowsill and shelves remain warm, but at nighttime, the darkness of the dusk and cold draft can do damage. So, if you live in a really cold climate, change the position of your indoor plants in the evening if they're close to windows and doors. Welcome to Balcony Garden web channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to make a quick fertilizer to boost the growth of your cucumber plants. Heat-loving cucumber plants thrive once soil temperatures reach at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit, often producing an abundant crop. Slow growth in a cucumber plant usually indicates deficiencies.
Have you ever thought, is eggplant a fruit or vegetable? Or is it a berry? Clear your doubts and find out the answer in this video. Eggplant is a relative of tomatoes. It's native to the Indian subcontinent and grows in various colors like deep shiny purple, green, lavender, white, and yellow with a green cap in different sizes and shapes. Is eggplant a fruit? A fruit is developed from a flower and contains seeds. On the other hand, a vegetable is the part of the plant that includes leaves, roots, and stems.
Propagating succulents from leaves is the best way to multiply them. Want to know how to do that? Watch this video until the end. 1. Select healthy leaves. Your chance of success depends on this step. Select the succulent leaves that are green and plump without any marks or discolorization. 2. Snip off leaves. After selecting, remove these leaves from your succulent plant, twisting and turning gently without damaging any of them. Gently remove them and scoop the baby plants out of the soil and replant them into individual pots.